Have you ever pondered over the intricacies of becoming a data analyst? Well, the world of data analysis is brimming with excitement, and today we walk you through the captivating journey of morphing into a data analyst. Picture yourself as a detective, but not your regular one. You are a data detective, unearthing hidden patterns, trends, and insights, all from a sea of raw data. This is the core essence of a data analyst. But how do you become one? Well, it's a journey. And every journey begins with a single step. Step 1. Education is your starting point. A bachelor's degree in fields like mathematics, statistics, economics, or computer science lays a robust foundation. These disciplines help you understand the language of numbers and software, the bread and butter for a data analyst. Step 2. Hone your skills. You need to master certain technical skills to excel in this field. Proficiency in SQL for database management, Python or R for data manipulation, and Tableau for data visualization are all highly desirable. Step 3. Get certified. Numerous online platforms offer specialized data analysis certification courses. These courses not only enhance your knowledge, but also add a shining star to your resume. Step 4. Gain experience. Theoretical knowledge is a good start, but real-world experience is where the rubber meets the road. Internships, part-time jobs, or even personal projects in data analysis can give you a taste of the practical aspects. Step 5. Never stop learning. The world of data analysis is dynamic, constantly evolving with new tools and technologies. Keeping up to date with these changes helps you stay relevant in the industry. In summary, the path to becoming a data analyst involves acquiring a relevant education, mastering essential technical skills, obtaining certifications, gaining practical experience, and committing to lifelong learning. Remember, becoming a data analyst isn't just about crunching numbers or writing code. It's about storytelling, where data is your narrative, and you are the narrator, weaving compelling stories that drive decision-making and strategy in businesses. So, if you're intrigued by the world of data and love solving puzzles, take the first step today. Embark on this exciting journey and unlock a world of opportunities as a data analyst. The world of data awaits you.